Go to go try and record that.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Do you want to hit the board?
No, we got another one in there. You know, we don't have the chair. You'll need a chair. I mean, if you can do it without a chair, that's great. I
think it might more movability, but
okay. As you wish.
so it'll be lighter. Yeah.
Okay. Give them a little bit of movement and stuff. Let's.
Just registering.
You okay? I'll go in there and listen. Have a go. You want to run it and take it?
Yep.
Okay. That's great. Let's hear it back. Come on in, let's hear it back. Can I hear it back?
Yep.
Everything else is muted, yeah. Great. Have you done this before? It's really good. Thank you.
That's why I want to get into it.
I think that's really good, actually. I think the bit when they go into the you know that you did after is really good,
Yeah.
and I think that's good. What do y'all think?
That's good.